Next one, 8.22. What is the difference between principle of estimation of nitrogen in the organic compound by Dumas method and Geldal method? So, what is the difference, basic principle difference in Dumas method and Geldal method? So, both are used for estimation of, in this compound nitrogen. For example, in this first one, Dumas method, organic compound it react with cupric oxide and atmospheric carbon dioxide and heated, then free nitrogen and carbon dioxide and H2 are formed. Again, OC means organic compound and cupric oxide and atmospheric carbon dioxide, and both are heating, then free nitrogen and carbon dioxide and H2O are formed in Dumas method. That is the principle. But in Geldal method, organic compound OC means organic compound plus concentrated sulfuric acid plus potassium sulfate and mercury catalyst, then this compound converted into ammonium sulfate. It is the principle in Geldal method. It is the principle in Dumas method. So organic compound, cupric oxide and carbon dioxide, then free nitrogen, CO2, H2O. Here organic compound, concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium sulfate, by adding a little amount of mercury catalyst, then it's converted into ammonium sulfate. It is the basic principle. It is the basic principle in Dumas method.